guys, this is Shelly. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the Clinique Acne Solution Serum, like this one, and some message gift set that usually you got this 6-piece gift set when you buy like $40 or $30 or something from message. They usually give this gift set, like 6-piece gift set that you have to choose these things. So I'll show you what are the things, and mainly the acne solution serum. So this one is the Clinique acne solution serum. So this one I have already finished this one bottle, so that's why I have ordered the another one. So I'm gonna show you how the packaging and how the acne solution serum looks. So this one is the acne solution serum. Mostly if you are familiar with this one, like acne solution all over treatment, it's kind of like the replacement of this one, because they have currently stopped this one. Because this one I usually love this product. It was like very good for my skin, but I don't know why they stopped these things, or probably they will continue it after some day. I don't know, I can't find this one in message. That's why I got this one, and this one I love this one. That's why I ordered this one. Is my second bottle. So if you are like struggling with acne, then probably this will help you. This one is the acne solution serum with it will also help for the fine lines, wrinkles, and gives hydrating to your face. So this is basically with salicylic acid, but this one is for benzoyl peroxide. So this one I will show you how the serum looks. So this is how the bottle comes. It cost me around, I believe, $40 or something, 40 or 45. So it comes like a glass bottle, and this like dropper, like how this is pretty thick, but when you apply it, you'll immediately dissolve in your skin. So this is how the serum is, like a very like lightweight, oil free. That's why I kind of like this one. And after applying this one, I don't even need any kind of moisturizer, because it makes my skin like hydrated. So that's the really great part. And I can say that it completely clear all of my acne, but somehow it is helped me to reduce my acne. So we'll go to the Clinique 6-piece gift set. So this is how the packaging looks like. A really nice package, and it's like really super cute package with a multicolor. And then let's open it. So they have like two varieties. One is with like one moisturizer. So let me one with the eye shade and one with like lipsticks. So let me show you those two. So I got 3 packages, the lipsticks and lip color. These are. So I'll show you what are the packages. In the packages, in the lipstick, in the liner, in one of the packages I got one overnight mask, and then one Clinique Clinique mascara, like travel size mascara, and one eyeliner. That's good. Yeah, I got a really great eyeliner, because this one, like ink eyeliner, really love this kind of eyeliner, because currently I'm using the NYX. This one I'm currently using the ink eyeliner. I really like it. So when I saw the like Clinique eyeliner, I'm really excited about this eyeliner. I'll try and show you how this helps. And the next one is moisturizer eye cream. Yeah, this one is I am using it, and it's really great, but this will help me for the traveling. So this one is a great one. And next one is the range of foaming cleanser for travel size. That's great. And this one is moisturizers, which is my always favorite moisturizers. So this is a like pretty great offer, because when I purchased this Clinique acne solution serum, I got this one is free. So it's a really great value for money. And the next one I'll show you the another set that with Clinique gift set, 6-piece gift set, but with the lipsticks. So this one is the lipstick, which is in the set like a really nice color. like satin finish, which I don't really like that much satin finish because mostly I really like the matte finish, but it's okay. And this one is with a lip liner. This is great. You can get a lip liner. This is in the shade Bear Pop. Okay, and this one is also Moisture Surge Overnight Mask, and another Clinique Moisture Surge, so it was my favorite all time. And this one is Acne Scrub. Yeah, I have already used this one. This scrub is really nice scrub. You can try this one. It's a really good scrub. And this one is the foaming cleanser. I am not a very big fan of cleanser, but this scrub is really nice. So all of this, you can choose whatever you like. If you buy any serum or anything like over $40 from Mrs., you can have the option to choose this 6-piece gift set. You can choose whatever you want. So these are the gift sets. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.